siya sa salad master mix. Ayan ang ating healthy na binibake na ating carrots, banana, kale, radish, cake bread. Carrot banana cake ng aking hubby. At isi-serve ko na sa kanyang hubby guys. Super sarap ng aking cake. Wow! Sayang di ko ito mauuwi kasi mayupi. Ayoko naman madipong sa aking carry-on bag. Igagawin ko to graduation cake. Papadeliver ko kasi hindi ako makakati ng graduation party. So, ipapamigay ko na lang ito mamaya sa anak ko na kanyang hubby. Hi guys, right now we are making a banana and carrot bread. So this is the banana, but I put already 6 overripe banana, and the other ingredients are this one, sun-dried kale leaves and radish. I mix together and I use a little bit yeast, and I use 4 carrots, medium size. So, and the flour I use is chestnut flour to be very healthy, guys. So, that's how we're gonna do now. And, of course, we add 1/4 cup of butter, and we're gonna add also 4 pieces eggs. And also, we're gonna add a condensed milk. So, this one, Carnation condensed milk. So we're gonna use the whole can because this is only small. And then we're gonna bake it. So before I going back to Canada, I make a very delicious and very healthy banana carrot bread with almond nuts toppings. And also we're gonna add I think I'm gonna find another ingredients. Might be pine nuts, or we're gonna add this organic pumpkin seeds to be more healthy. So now we have our bake pan here. I use parchment paper so it doesn't stick on the bake pan. Haluin uli natin, mix again to make sure that it's really properly mixed. Yeah, this is the first time guys I use chestnut. Usually I use chickpeas flour, but this time I'm trying the chestnut. I wanna know the taste, guys. I'm gonna try it if it tastes okay. It's pretty good, guys. Actually, it doesn't taste sweet. Nice. Kami lang naman kakain guys. Kaya okay lang na ginamit yung kutsara ng panghalo. So hindi naman namin ito ibibigay sa iba. Kami lang kakain. And then we're gonna put the toppings. Yay! Overloaded sa almond toppings. Yan. O, diba? Yan. O. Ayan na. Ready na siya for oven. At maghahanap pa tayo ng another bake pan. I'm gonna use a salad master pie plate. Of course, we're gonna put this also to make sure na hindi siya magdikit-dikit guys. At syempre, dikitan natin. Wala kasi tayo guys ng bilog. Kaya magawa na lang tayo ng para-paraan para para makagawa tayo ng sarili natin. Ano ba tawag dito? Yung, ayan. Ayan, pwede na siya. At ilagay na natin ang natitira. Para bukas, meron na tayong pang breakfast. Mahilig sa kape si aking asawa. So, may pang ano na siya, may pang partner na siya sa kape. Tomorrow guys, I'm leaving, so it's gonna be stay in the oven until tomorrow. Kamayin na nga natin. Ayaw madala sa kutsara. O, malinis naman yung kamay ko guys kasi lagi tapos ko lang maligo. Ayan. So, ayan na. Maghuhugas ako ng kamay. Ang bango. Super bango guys. Ang amoy niya. At ang ginamit nating eggs ay all free-range. Ayan. O, diba? Ang ganda. Mayroon tayong dalawang fruit and vegetable banana cake. Banana and carrot cake pala. Ayan, overloaded sa almond nuts at sa pumpkin seeds. O, diba? Sarap nito. At hindi siya masyadong matamis para hindi magka-diabetes. Iwas diabetes guys, o, diba? Ayan na, ready for oven. I-oven na natin to. Oven natin siya dyan. At eto, mag-o-oven na tayo. Ayan na. Ayan. Ano nga natin? Para kita nyo talaga. Ayan. Ayan. At i-ano na natin siya sa bake. Ayan. I-program na natin. Sana ba ang bake? Ayun. Bake. And then, start. Ayan. So, ano lang yan guys, 30 minutes. And it's ready for lapangan. Ayan o. Ayan. Siyempre, habang nagbe-bake tayo ng ating cake, ayan na siya. Ito naman ang ating titirahin ngayon, ang ating mahiwagang dandelion roots tea with lemongrass and onions, garlic, lemon peel, cinnamon, cloves, black pepper, ginger, turmeric, star anise, and what else? I forgot the rest. Oregano and rosemary and cloves. So, very healthy tea guys. So, yan na. Iinom na tayo ngayon at bukas bago ako umalis. So, siyam na dandalayo na puno na kasama ang roots. Ayan ang ating healthy na binibake na ating carrots, banana, kale, radish, cake bread. So, the cake guys, I smell it after 25 minutes. So, let's check it out after 25 minutes. And I have my fork here checked out if it's really cooked already. So, it's cooked already guys. Oh, tingnan nyo. So, yeah. It's cooked already guys. So, hindi na siya hindi na siya watery. So, gamit tayo ng ibang tinidor. Gamit tayo ng ibang tinidor just to make sure guys. Ayan o. Hindi na siya masyadong madikit sa tinidor. At ito din. Check natin. O, ayan. Hindi na siya guys dumikit. It means luto na siya. So, yan. 25 minutes lang, guys. Yung aking carrots, banana. Ito, turn off na natin to. Yan, turn off na. At titikman natin, syempre. Kasi 2 beses ko tinusok eh. Tikman natin. Oh my God, ang sarap. Grabe. Grabe, ang sarap. Hindi siya matamis, guys. Tamang-tama lang. Sarap, no? Sarap ng ano. Yung almond na roasted. Para tuloy gusto ko ng lapangin. Para tuloy, guys, gusto ko ng lapangin. Eh, hindi pwede yun. Hindi pwedeng lapangin kasi, ano na eh, 12:48 na oh. 12:48. Isinalang ko yan ng ng 12:15 ata kanina. Hindi ko sigurado. Basta ganon. Ayan. So, luto na siya, guys. Let's get it. Our cake. Ayan. Cake bread. I call it cake bread because the mixture, but it's really cake. It tastes like cake. So, let's see the bottom. Wow, look at that, guys. Oh, nice. And this one, when you open it, you're just gonna do like that. And then, there you go. Nice. See, guys, the bottom, it's really good. And which one we gonna try first? Ang ganda, oh. Sana pwede kong dalhin sa Canada. Kaya lang marami akong bitbit. Magdadala ako nito siguro ko kalahati. Hindi ko dadalhin yung isang buo. Kasi mayuyupi siya sa aking carry-on bag. Ayokong mayupi sa aking carry-on bag. Grabe, guys, so kalami kaayo kang akong cake. So let's cut this one. I decided to cut the thicker one. Kasi ibibigay ko to sa aking darling para sa kanyang breakfast. At hindi na ako magagawa ng egg sandwich breakfast niya. Actually, nakapagawa na ako ng egg sandwich breakfast na palaman. But, syempre, gusto ko itatry niya talaga yan. Ayan, nag-aan ako ng aking pinugrik na tea. Kasi yan ang aking first drink. Let's see the moment of truth. Ito nga. Ayoko masira yung ano eh. Wow, ang ganda oh. Kumayin na natin. Kasi family naman. Look at that, guys, oh. Nice. It's really beautiful. Lagyan natin yan dyan sa plato niya. Kasi ito na yung kanyang breakfast with coffee. O, diba, guys? Hindi halata na may carrots. Kasi kulay orange siya, oh. Super daming carrots nilagay ko tsaka banana. So, that's a banana and carrot cake. Diba? Ayan, oh. Oh, ayan. Nice. Ito na ang carrot banana cake ng aking hubby at isi-serve ko na sa kanya. Grabe, guys, super sarap ng aking cake. Wow. Sayang di ko ito mauuwi kasi mayuyupi. Ayoko naman ma-deform sa aking carry-on bag. Guys, igagawin ko tong graduation cake. O, ipapadeliver ko. Kasi hindi ako makaka-attend ng graduation party. So, ipapabigay ko na lang ito mamaya sa anak-anakan ni hubby. Hey!